USPSA requires a minimum of 23 feet for its steel to be shot without a fault line. We've placed the steel targets that are common in USPSA shooting at 23 feet. And we've also placed the BAM Airsoft steel targets at a distance in which the perspective would be the same. So at 23 feet for a star target, you would place a star target for airsoft at 9 feet to match the same perspective. The look would be similar to for the Colt popper set at 23 feet. The Colt airsoft target is placed at 6 feet for the same perspective.
For a perspective of what the sight picture looks like for a Colt field steel, here's our airsoft pistol with our sight picture on a real Colt steel. Here's our sight picture on a BAM Airsoft Colt steel.
So with the mini popper and the round plate set at 23 feet, for your BAM Airsoft targets, you're going to want to set your popper at minimum at 7 feet and your round plate at 9 feet to get the same perspective for a USPSA minimum.
Alright, for perspective on the real steel, here's our real steel sight picture and our popper sight picture. Okay, again, just to get a perspective on what we're looking at for the round targets, is there's our sight picture on the real steel, and here's our sight picture on the round.
In order to train with the USPSA minimum of 23 feet for their steel, place our Colt-shaped popper at 6 feet, our star at 9 feet, the mini popper at 7 feet, and the round plate at 9 feet.
Beep!
So I'm the part of BAM that doesn't do any talking on these videos.